Happy Wednesday. Hopefully you guys can see that I am live here. So I am hoping that we will have no interruptions in today's live video. That is the goal. So hopefully Facebook cooperates. So hello, welcome. My name is LaQuita Jackson with QuitaBugHandmaids.com, and thank you so much for joining me today for a Facebook Live. Hi, Letitia. Yes, I'm glad I made it on time too, and I hope that the connection stays. So make sure that you say hello as you pop in so that I can say hello to you back. Welcome. Okay, so today I have a fun fold card to share with you today. And I want to go ahead and announce the winner for last week's, or actually it wasn't last week, it was 2 weeks ago. From 2 weeks ago, I want to announce the winner for sharing the video. So the winner is actually someone who shared over on YouTube. So don't forget, if you're watching the replay on YouTube, you can also share and then comment below the YouTube video and let me know that you did that. So thank you so much to Pamela K. For sharing the video. And Pamela, I have some of the enamel, metallic enamel shapes for you. So if you could please either email me at QuitaBugHandmaids@gmail.com. Or find me here on Facebook and find my business page, Quita Handmaids. Send me a message with your address, whichever one works better for you. Send me your address so that I can get your goodie out to you. So thank you so much. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I think I'm going to just jump right in. I don't know that I have any other announcements. Oh yeah, don't forget, if you shopped with me in July, do not forget to redeem your $5 bonus days coupons. Remember, you can redeem them in August. So make sure that you, when you place your orders in August, that you redeem those coupons. So go back through your email, find the email from Stampin' Up! Where they sent your coupons so that you can get the code and add those coupon codes to your order to get those $5 coupons taken off. And also, don't forget, we have the extra promotion happening right now. If you join my team during the month of August, hi Stacy, you can actually get $155 worth of product for the regular $99 price. So that's $56 worth of free product, plus you get free shipping. And if you do build your starter kit and join my team right now in August, you can add holiday catalog product to your starter kit. So that's fantastic. You get early access to that product, so you don't want to miss that. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. I have a fantastic team, and we have a wonderful Facebook page. We do lots of things together, and we would love to welcome any of you to our team. So definitely let me know if you have any questions about that. Hi Martha, I'm glad you caught me live as well. Okay, so I'm gonna flip you guys around and let's jump right in. Happy Wednesday. It is actually a beautiful, let me show you. Beautiful sunny day. It's really nice and bright outside. So great day. I think, did it rain last time? I'm not sure, I can't remember. Okay, so it should be, yeah, nice and bright. Okay, gotcha. All right, so don't forget, I do have, this is my latest card kit here. I'm missing 2 envelopes. Oh, here they are. When you spend a minimum of $40 in my online store, don't forget, from August 1st through August 15th, you can get this super cute Darling Label card kit featuring the scalloped note cards and envelopes as a gift from me. So do not forget that I have that going right now until August 15th. Super cute kit, and I know I've had a few of you order so that you can get your hands on that kit, so thank you. All right, so today I am going to be using the Healing Hugs stamp set. Hi Danielle, thank you so much. Hey Shelly, hey girl. So I've got the Healing Hugs stamp set. I haven't used this in a while, but I feel like there's just so many people I need to be sending cards to featuring some of the great sentiments in this set. So I thought I would make a card using this one with you guys today. So love this one. You've got this great rose image here, this distinctive rose, so it stamps 3D. It's amazing. Same thing with the leaves, and then some really great sentiments. If you've got anyone that you need to wish well or send healing thoughts to, this is a really great stamp set, you guys. I love this one. And I am pairing it with the Stitched Labels dies. So I used these 2 dies here, and then I also used the Stitched Shapes dies as well. So I'm pairing it with those dies. Okay, so let's jump in. I've already die cut everything. So I'm going to start with the stitched circle. I just die cut this out of Whisper White, And I am going to stamp the flower image in Petal Pink. So I'm just going to, I've already got it on my block here, on a D block. There's something on my stamp here. Okay, there we go. So I'm just going to ink this up. Dee. And stamp it here on my stitched circle. Just press and hold that. Hi, Cheryl. Hey. And let's see. There we go. Really pretty. Okay, so I'm going to leave this out because I'm going to use this on a couple of other things. So actually I want to use that on my envelope as well, and I am going to stamp the little flower image, this little image right here. It reminds me of a wildflower actually. I'm going to stamp that in Petal Pink, so I'm just going to ink that up. And then I think I want to stamp it off, so I've got some scratch paper here. Stamp off, and I'm just going to put that down here in the bottom left of my envelope. Just really simple, just to have a little something on my envelope. Okay, and then I'm going to stamp that image again on this piece of Whisper White, and I'll tell you the measurements in a minute. So let's see, I'm just going to ink this up. And do I want to stamp full strength? I'll go ahead and stamp off. I think I'm just going to stamp this right about here off to the left. Yeah, I think right there. Okay, so that's it for this color. Okie dokie. All right, so then here we go. This is where I'm going to put my sentiment, is on this piece. So I'm going to use Mossy Meadow ink. And for my outside sentiment, I'm going to stamp the Sending You Healing Vibes. I love that sentiment. Sending You Healing Vibes. And I should be able to fit this right in between the detailed ends. Oh, I hope I got that right. Yes. Whew. Look at that. It fits perfectly. And then on this Whisper White, I am going to stamp the Get Well Soon. This is for the inside, and I'm going to stamp it. I thought I wanted it on top of this little wildflower. I think I do. Oh yeah, oh I love that. Look at that up close. That looks really good, stamped over that little wildflower. I love it. Super cute. Okay, so that is all the stamping, you guys. Yeah, keeping it quick and simple. Okay, so now let's start putting this together. So we are doing a fun fold. So the measurements for this, you take a half sheet of cardstock. So this is cut 4 1/4 inches by 11 inches, and then I scored it at 2 3/4 and at 5 1/2 inches, okay? So when you fold this, you fold it in half like this first at 5 1/2 inches. And then you fold back that 2 3/4 inch score line, and then that gives you this wonderful Z-fold. Okay, really fun. So what we're gonna do is I've got a piece of Petal Pink cardstock that I'm going to put right here on this little front fold panel. So this is cut 2 and, let me get my measurements. This is cut 2 1/2 inches by 4 inches. So I'm going to add this right on top of this little front panel with my snail adhesive. Thank you, Carol. Hi. Hey. Okay. So I'll just put that right here. Okay. Then I have got, this is my favorite pattern from the, my mind just went blank. From the, hold on, let me get it. Here it is, from the Magnolia Lane Designer Series paper. I love this paper. So it focuses on basic black, petal pink, and mossy meadow, and I just love it. And then you've got Whisper White in there too. I love this paper. It's so beautiful. Look at that, gorgeous. You guys really gotta get in on this designer paper. We've got some beautiful paper in the catalog. I just love it. Okay, so So I've got a little piece of that. So this is cut 2 1/4 inches by 3 3/4 inches, and I'm just gonna layer that right on top of there. And I am going to be doing a holiday catalog paper share, in case you're wondering. I'll be announcing that in the next week or so. So, well, actually, it'll be closer to 2 weeks, I think. So if you're interested in that, that'll be coming up very soon. Okay, so I've got this. Now, this is the piece that I cut using those dies that I showed you a minute ago, the stitched labels dies. So this is this die right here. So I cut that out of Mossy Meadow cardstock, and I am going to add this right here, and I'm actually going to add it with a little bit of tear and tape. I want it to be on there really, really good. Since this card is one that you can kind of manipulate, I don't want to use snail because it, you know, might not stay on there, might not be strong enough. Oh yeah, the Garden Lane is really nice too, Carol. And you've got mint macaron in that one, in the Garden Lane. Okay, so let me peel this back. Alrighty. So I'm just gonna put this on. I mean, I could have used dimensionals, but I'm gonna use dimensionals a lot in a couple other areas. Okay, just trying to center this up. Right about there, that should be good. Okay, so now I'm gonna pop my flower up. My petal pink may be a little bit too inked because it looks like as it's dried, some of my rose is more filled in than it should be, but that's okay. Just put a few dimensionals on the back of this. Okie dokie. My camera has this little light that I noticed, so I put that light on. I'm wondering if you, I think it looks like it makes the video a lot brighter, which I like. I discovered that light. Okay, so I'm gonna put that there. Then for the sentiment, yeah, you see how it kind of filled in right here? That's because I think my ink pad is a little too inked up. So look, I'm gonna cover it up with the sentiment and you don't even notice. Okay, so I think, is 1 dimensional gonna be enough? No, let me do 2. Let me do 2. I love when you end up with a little mishap and you can just cover it right up and nobody even knows the difference. Yeah, look at that. You can't even tell. Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. I hope that's straight. I think it's straight. Yeah, I think that's straight. Yep, so I'm just gonna put that right there. Then we'll just open this up and we will add this in. I got a little bit of some fraying there, so I'll just use this little adhesive eraser. If your blade is dull, you can use an adhesive eraser or even a pencil eraser. Go along the edge of your cardstock and it will get all of that off. Okay, now let's add this to the inside. So I stamped off to the left so that when the card is folded, you shouldn't see the sentiment on the inside. Okay, there we go. So let's look at this. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, let me tell you. So I haven't been making samples before I do these lives for you guys. I have just been thinking of an idea and then making it with you guys right then. So, I mean, I've never made this card. So this is my first attempt from a brainchild idea and I love it. I'm having fun doing that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful, you guys? Let me bring it in. It might be a little blurry, so let me just wait a second here. Hopefully you can see that. Let me turn the light down. Hold on. I'm going to turn the light down. Well, I don't know. I'm going to turn one light off. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that so pretty? There we go. Now you can see it good. I love it. Very, very pretty. Yay. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed that. So I'm going to put this up on my blog. I'll try for tomorrow, but if not tomorrow, Friday, and I'll have all those measurements over there for you guys as well. So if you're on YouTube, just click down below to the blog post and the measurements will be over there. Okay, so let me flip it all around. Hello. Thank you, Stacy. Thank you, Carol. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Let me back up. Okay, now I can see. Thank you. I hope y'all had fun. I really love how this card turned out. I'm having fun just kind of going and seeing what happens. So I really like it. I hope you enjoyed it. So thank you guys so much. I will be live again next Wednesday, which I think is the 14th of August. So I will be back live then. So thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you all very soon. Bye.